I would love to work for a company which makes some of our best cars. It also helps that you have such an evolved garment business. I would love to work for a company which is so new and young in the India market. This is how one of the students started answering why he wanted to work for RIL. Obviously, he did not get selected.
Our friend here is preparing to be a maester in the kingdom of Kalinga, in the Ashoka Empire. He aspires to be amongst the best. Look at the focus, look at the quiet confidence, the calm, the serenity on his face. We want you to also prepare in the same manner. You want to be part of a company, I want to make a career there, you need to do research. This part of our preparation deals with company research. Why is company research important? Company research shows your sincerity towards the application for the job that you're making. Let's divide company research in two parts for the simplicity of understanding. The first part is the encyclopedia part, or the part where you're looking at hard facts and research. This involves going to the company's website, going through annual reports, speeches of the CEOs, looking at the financial performance of the company, looking at the new brands and the new products that the company has launched. What is the interplay of the company with respect to any global current? For example, an event like Brexit, does it have an impact on the company? What is the impact of GST and its rollout on the company and its profitability going forward? The second part of the company research, I'd like to call it as the tabloid part of the company research. This essentially deals with the internal grapevine of the company. Now you have access to your seniors who could be working there. But we should not limit ourselves to that. It is possible that in your network, there are many people who are either working in the company or could be someone who is a supplier to the company or could even be working in a company that is a competitor to this company. Try and get as much information as possible from all these people. Talk to them. Try to understand what is the current that is flowing in the system at this point of time. There are a lot of resources at your disposal for the preparation for company research. Let's look at the traditional resources. Newspapers like the Live Mint, the Economic Times, they will ensure that you have both width and depth of coverage. You look at international journals like The Economist, international newspapers like the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times. They will ensure that you have a well-rounded perspective and also a global current. However, we also recommend that you make use of the newer forms of technology. Look at following interesting Facebook pages, look at organizing your Twitter feed and following interesting handles that give you insights and information. You may also look at following blogs like the Y Combinator to understand what is happening in the startup world. What helps is what policemen do in shitty Hollywood films. Erect a board and pin all your research on it. Add to your repertoire of knowledge till the time you are confident about the company you are applying to. Also, note that the research that is done for one company and the format that you follow may be different from the research that you do for another company.